Hello and welcome back to the class. I hope you people will be enjoying our classes. And students, we people are going to discuss in another aspect of English language, that is the most important aspect, uh, the grammar. So students, as the name suggests, that grammar is about sentence structure, parts of speech, active and passive voices, tenses. So in today's class, we are going to learn all these things in a great detail. And for that, I have selected a short story by Tariq Rahman, The Game. Uh, the reason behind selecting this short story was that you people are already familiar with the short story and you have mm, read the short story, so that will be easy for you people. So before starting the class, let us have a look on our objectives of our today's class, that what the students are going to achieve after the end of this class. So our first objective for the class is that you people will read the story again and you will comprehend it in a way that is targeted the target the English grammar. So you people will look to the sentence structure, the SVO structure. You will underline the difficult vocabulary. You will underline different parts of speech, like which part of speech is that. Most usually in a sentence we use subject, that is noun, or pronoun, verb maybe of present, past, past participle, present participle. So we have all these things in our sentences. So that will be our objective. After that, we will be able to know about the different sentence structures, like we have different kind of sentences, like simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences. So students, you are going to learn that thing in a great detail, and after that you will be able to make your own sentences, learning the new vocabulary. Students, these were the objectives of our today's class. And before starting our class in a way, and my presentation, modeling all the thing to you people, let us have a look. Let's see that what are the instructions that you people should follow for the sake of the class, and to achieve our objectives in a way that should be more fruitful. So student, before the first instruction to you people is that you should be attentive while I'm reading the story. You should be very much attentive to my presentation, my modeling of the story in front of you people. You must have your own pencil to underline, to highlight the key ideas like part of speech, tenses, sentence structure, and all these things, to know about the English grammar. That as we have discussed in English grammar, we usually talk about these things like parts of speech, articles. So you will underline articles, you will underline different parts of speech, nouns, the kinds of nouns, parts of speech, like verb, forms of verb. So you will underline all these things. And let's come to my presentation. In my presentation, I will do what I will divide the board. I will write all the thing on the board, like I will write different parts of speech, its their definitions, um, simple example for your understanding. I will talk about the use of articles. I will then talk about the tenses, like we have three major tenses: present, past, and future, and the uses of their tenses. After that, we will talk about active and passive voices, and so on. And I will try to make sentences in front of you people on board, that you people should be familiar with the simple or the basic sentence structure. And after that, um, as my presentation, my class, my demonstration ended, so I will you will practice the things, the class. And two kind of practices, that one will be guided practice and the other one will be independent practice. And guided practice, I will divide the whole class into groups. There will be a group leader who will demonstrate, who will read, who will identify all the things, and will talk about, will share the ideas in groups. And the teacher will be also the part of that guided practice. He will work like a facilitator in that very guided practice. And student will ask question if they feel that they can't do by themselves in the group. And their and after that guided practice, the students will do the thing in independent. Like they will discuss, they will identify all these things by themselves one by one. And they can do it anywhere, like at home or anywhere. And after that independent practice, the students will be asked, I will take an assessment. And that assessment will be a formative assessment. Is we usually take two kind of assessment in all classes. One is formative and the other one is summative assessment. And I will take formative assessment, I will ask questions, I will do peer assessment, I will take an assessment in a type in like demonstration. The student will demonstrate the things in front of the class. And the aim of assessment is that to identify the loopholes, the weak areas, and to focus on those areas in future. Thank you so much.